Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome to my channel, John here, and today I decided to make a short video about automotive sculptures. If you watched my videos, you know that I make wooden cars. Like this. I make it using only hand tools. A few days back I started to think, what if I will make something digitally and print it? I grabbed my computer and started to make classic smooth sculpture. When I finished the model, I realized that it's not gonna work for me. And I need something completely different. I decided to make it even more abstract. So please welcome Low Poly Sculpture. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you will like it, and I'll see you in the next video. And I will see you in the next episode. My glasses.